Design and Performance Analysis of Three-Phase Solar PV Integrated UPQC. Abstract. This paper presents the design and performance analysis of a three-phase, single-stage solar photovoltaic integrated unified power quality conditioner. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
The PV UPQC features shunt and series compensators connected via a common DC bus, with the shunt compensator situated on the load side. The solar PV array is directly integrated into the DC link of the UPQC through a reverse blocking diode. Operating in voltage control mode, the series compensator mitigates grid voltage sags and swells. Both compensators interface with the grid through inductors, while a series injection transformer facilitates voltage injection into the grid. Ripple filters are employed to eliminate harmonics resulting from the converter's switching actions. The system utilizes a nonlinear load, comprising a bridge rectifier with a voltage fed load. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.